Welcome to a quick, up-to-date guide on enabling echo in Discord. If you've ever heard yourself echo back through your mic or you're trying to fix a lingering audio issue, this short walkthrough will help you get clean sound again. First, open Discord on your device. Once you are in, look to the bottom right corner and tap your profile icon. This opens your personal settings where all the audio and device options live. From there, find and tap the settings icon to enter a menu full of customization options. You'll want to navigate to the section labeled Voice. This is where Discord handles your microphone input and how it's sent to the server. Inside Voice, scroll down until you reach the area for voice processing. Here you'll see several toggles and sliders designed to optimize how your voice is handled. Look for echo cancellation as you scan through these options. Toggle off echo cancellation. This setting, when enabled, uses processing to reduce or remove echo by analyzing what you say and what others hear, which can sometimes create an artificial or delayed effect. Turning it off stops that processing, allowing your mic audio to pass through more directly. After you switch echo cancellation to off, it's a good idea to test your audio. Join a voice channel with a friend or use a quick test server to speak and listen